Hello everyone. Today is gonna be Excel video, and in this Excel video, I'm gonna teach you some formulas. So first formula is trim, sum, upper, and lower. So let's just begin with trim. Trim is exactly like if we put extra space, it is gonna remove with the extra space. I'm gonna show you guys like this. Like, see guys, I have extra space right over here. So what we need to do, I'm gonna put trim formula. So we need to press equal to trim, then bracket, we are gonna select this. I'm gonna select this. Oh my, wait. So let's just select this. Then we are gonna close, then enter. So see guys, it came here, no space. So this is called trim. So now I'm gonna show you sum. Sum is adding all this number. So means if I have large data, if you guys have large data, if you want to add, you can't add one by one. So I'm gonna teach you easy way. Sum. So for sum, you need to click one bar, any one cell, is equals to then sum, open bracket, select, close bracket, and enter. So the total amount of this rupees is 5,500. Now I'm gonna tell you upper. Upper means like Ram. This is a name, Ram. Okay. Ram. Then we are gonna press is equals to upper, then open bracket, then we are gonna select this, close bracket, and then enter. There we go, uppercase. Now we are gonna do lowercase, and this is the last formula. So now let's just do. This is the name, Aman, and here we go. We need to press is equals to lower, lower, open bracket, select this, close bracket, and enter. So there we go, lowercase. And if you're watching this video, if you like it, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.